Hello everybody, we are Tro-nik, and if you have BMW F10, F11, F12, F13, F06, 5 and 6 series and want to upgrade your brakes, we offer to you our solution. It's a front 6-pot caliper from BMW F10 M5 and front rotor 400 36 mm thin and pads, and 1-pot rear caliper and 396 24 mm thin of rear disc and pads. And to install this big kit you need adapters. It's our good solution to install these brakes into a car. It's a front adapter and it's a rear adapter with bolts. And to install you need also front lines and rear lines and dust shield. It help you to use big brake onto your car, and it will be safe for you. Thank you. You always can come to us and buy our adapters. Thank you again.